Hello students, welcome back to the next session of quantity surveying and contracts management. In this session we'll be taking up some more examples on rate analysis. So in this part I'll be dealing with rate analysis of brickwork, rate analysis of plastering, rate analysis of flooring and rate analysis of pointing. So firstly we'll take up the rate analysis of brickwork. So the statement reads, first class brickwork in cement mortar 1:4 in superstructure at ground floor. So we know that as per the National Building Organization, for 2.83 meter cube per day of work we require masons 2 and 1/4, mazdoor 4 and a half and bistri half. So again for this particular thing we consider the work as for 10 meter cube. Take the work for 10 meter cube. Then, so the size of the brick, standard brick, is 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. So this is including the mortar. So the size of the brick without mortar is 19 centimeter by 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter. So we'll calculate the number of bricks required for 10 meter cube of work. So number of bricks required for 10 meter cube of work of size 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. So this is including the mortar, number of bricks along with mortar. So that will be 10 is the volume divided by volume of one brick. It is 0.2 into 0.1 into 0.1. So total volume divided by volume of one brick will give you the number of bricks required. So this is 5000 numbers. Then the size of the brick without mortar. The size of the brick without mortar is size of brick without mortar. So we have to deduct the volume of mortar. So that will be equal to 10 is the total volume. So this 5000 is including what? The volume of mortar also. So from 10, if I deduct the volume of only bricks, what is the size of bricks? It is 0.09 into 0.09 into 0.19. If I deduct this, so what I'll get is I'll get the volume of mortar. So volume of mortar is 2.3 meter cube. Now adding 15% extra for that frog filling. So 15% we consider extra for frog filling, bonding courses and wastages. So volume of mortar will be volume of mortar is equal to 2.3 is the volume of mortar plus I am going to add 15% extra considering all the losses and frog filling. So I'll get the total volume as 2.64 meter cube. So for next, for dry mixing we add 1/3 extra. So 1/3 extra. So volume of mortar will be volume of mortar is equal to 2.64 plus 1/3 of 2.64. So we'll get this as 3.5 meter cube. So the ratio given here is for 1:4. So cement we consider cement is 1 part. So 1 divided by 4 into 3.5 is the mortar. So it is 1:4, so this is 1 plus 4 is total 5. So we'll get this as 0.7 meter cube. So 0.7 meter cube divided by volume of one bag, we'll get 21 bags. Then sand is 4 parts out of 5 parts into 3.5, we'll get 2.8 meter cube. So this is the material calculation for brickwork. So next what we do is, in this we write, first one is materials. So materials, in that brick of size 20 centimeter by 10 by 10. So how much number? Quantity is 5000. Rate of one brick is 7 rupees. Then we require sand. Sand we are getting 2.8 meter cube. Rate of sand is 1500 rupees. Then cement we require 21 bags. So rate of one bag is 300. Then for this scaffolding we require is, it is lump sum. So lump sum will take the rate as 200 rupees. So this is 21 into 300. So the rate will be, so calculate the rate for this. So 21 bags into 300 is 6300. 2.8 meter cube into 1500 rupees is 4200, and 5000 into 7 rupees is 35,000. So this is for material. Second comes for labors. So labors, we know that for 2.83 meter cube of work, these are the labors required. Then for 10 meter cube of work, we require, so the labors required are firstly mason, mazdoor and bishti. So mason required, so for 2.83 it is 2 1/4. So for 10 meter cube we require 8 numbers of mason, 16 numbers of mazdoors and 2 numbers of bishti. So rate of mason is 350, mazdoor is 290 and this is 230. So 8 into 350 is 2800 rupees. 16 into 290 is 4640 and 2 into 230 is 460 rupees. So adding all, so 35,000 plus 4,200 plus 6,300 plus 200 plus 2,800 plus 4640 plus 460. So you are getting the rate as 53,600 rupees. Add 1.5% water charge and 10% profit. So this is 1.5% of this rate is 804 and this is 5360. So total you are getting 59,764. So rate of 1 meter cube you will get as, total cost is 59,764 divided by 10 meter cube. So for 1 meter cube the unit rate is 5976.4 rupees. So this is the total brickwork calculation. Hope you understood this. Moving on to the next problem. So next work is stone masonry work. The statement is random rubble masonry in cement mortar 1:6 in foundation and length. So random rubble masonry also we consider the quantity for 10 meter cube of work, and that we reduce it down to the unit work, that is 1 meter cube. So the labors required for stone work as per National Building Organization is 3 masons, 3 beldars, 2 mazdoors and half bishti. So again the work carried out for 1 day is 2.83 meter cube. So let's consider the work as 10 meter cube for this. So take 10 meter cube of work. Then material required. So quantity of stone quantity is taken as 10 meter cube. But for wastage and shaping, that is stones what you get random rubble masonry is meaning what? Those are not in regular shape, they are irregular shaped stones. So cutting, dressing is what we call to bring them to the required shape and size is what is termed as dressing. So wastage and dressing we consider for 25% extra. Then net quantity is taken as, net quantity of stone is taken as 10 meter cube is actual plus 10 into 25%. So you get 12.5 meter cube. So quantity of cement work So the net quantity of stone is 12.5 meter cube, that is including wastage and dressing. So mortar in dry state, that is dry volume, is taken as 4.2 meter cube. So from this cement is, since the ratio is given as 1:6, so cement is 1 part out of 7 part into 4.2. So you will get this as 0.6 meter cube. So this you divide with 0.0347. So the quantity is 17 bags. Then same for sand is 6 parts out of 7 into 4.2. You get this quantity as 3.6 meter cube. So 3.6 meter cube, 17 meter cube and 12.5 meter cube. Then first one, materials. So materials, first one cement, sand and stones, including, the stone is including thorough bond and wastage. So cement quantity we got as 17 bags, sand is 3.6 meter cube and stone is 12.5 meter cube. So the rate of this is 800 rupees per meter cube, sand is 1500 rupees and cement bag is 300 rupees. So the quantity what we get, the total amount is 17 into 300 is 5100 rupees. 3.6 into 1500 is 5400 rupees. 12.5 into 800 is 10,000 rupees. So this is the cost of the material. Now comes the labor. So labor required as of for 2.83 meter cube. So masons required, beldar required, mazdoor, then bishti. So mason required as per National Building Organization is 3 numbers. So we are working out for 10 meter cube. So it is 11 numbers of masons. Beldar also 11 numbers. So Mazdoor we require 8 numbers, and Bishti we require 2 numbers. So rate of mason 350, Beldar is 250, Mazdoor is 290, and Bishti is 230. So 11 into this. So this rate is 3850. 11 into 250 is 2750. 8 into 290 is 2320, and this is 560. So the total cost will be 5100 plus 5400 plus 10,000 plus 3850 plus 2750 plus 2320 plus 560. So you're getting this as 29,980 rupees. So add 1.5% water charge and 10% profit water charge. So 29,980 into 1.5, you get this as 449.7, and this is 2998. So total will be 29980 plus 2998 plus 449.7. So the total cost is coming out to be 33,427.7. So work out the rate for 1 meter cube. So that will be, total cost is 33427.7 divided by 10 meter cube. So this is divided by 10 meter cube. You will get as 3342.7 rupees. Next, going to the next quantity. So it is quantity of flooring. Now flooring quantities are generally calculated in square meter of work, because if you see the thickness of the flooring, it is very less compared to the dimensions of the room, that is surface area of the room. Compared to the length and width of the room, the thickness of the flooring is very less, though work is considered in terms of meter square of work. So for 2.5 centimeter thick cement concrete 1:2:4 floor with neat cement finishing at the top. So this is the problem statement. So as per National Building Organization, so the amount of work that is carried out for 1 day is 40 square meter of work. So labors required are 5 numbers of mason, 4 number of beldars, 3 number of mazdoors, and 1 number of bishti. Now this 2.5 centimeter thick cement flooring, we convert it in terms of the meter cube of work, because the ratio is given as 1:2:4. So the standard value what we take is for 100 meter square of work. So we calculate for 100 meter square of work. So quantity calculation of material. So volume of concrete required. Volume of concrete required is, so 100 meter square is the area and thickness is 2.5 centimeter. So 100 is the area into thickness is 0.025. So you get this as 2.5 meter cube. 2.5 meter cube. So for this 2.5 meter cube, add 10% extra for unevenness of base concrete. So generally when you are going for flooring of a new constructed buildings, the surface is not even. So to fill up those evenness or to maintain the evenness, we will consider 10% as extra quantity. So 2.5 plus 10 by 100 into 2.5. So you will get this quantity as 2.75 meter cube. Then add 50% for dry volume, that is considering the factor of safety, that is 50% extra for dry volume, since the wastage and shrinkage effect is overtaken by this 50%. So volume, so this will be 2.75 plus 50% of 2.75. So you'll get this as 4.125 meter cube. So this is the total quantity of concrete required. So the proportion given is 1:2:4. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7 parts. Out of that 7 parts, so 1 part is of cement. So cement is 1 by total part is 7 into 4.125. So you get this as 0.59 meter cube. Divide this with volume of one bag, 0.04347. You will get number of bags. It is coming out to be 17 bags. Then sand is 2 parts out of total 7 parts into 4.125. So we'll get this volume as 1.18 meter cube. Then aggregates, we get 4 parts out of total 7 parts into 4.125. This is equal to 2.36 meter cube. So for neat finishing, additional 6 bags are required. Now this is assumed standard. So 6 bags are required. So total how many bags? 6 bags plus 17 bags. So total 23 bags. Now the material calculation is done. Now we'll go for the tabular column. So first one is material. Materials is aggregates. So first one is cement. For flooring we require how many? 17 bags. Cement. For finishing we require 6 bags. Then sand, then aggregates. So aggregates here used are of 12 mm down size because we are going for flooring. So 12 mm down size aggregates. So cement for flooring is 17 bags. For finishing we require 6 bags. Sand is 1.18 meter cube. Aggregate is 2.36 meter cube. Rate of cement is 300 rupees. 300 rupees, 1500 rupees, and this is aggregate is 1000 rupees. So 17 into this is 5100. This is 1800. So 1.18 into 1500 is 1770, and this is 2360. So labors required for 40 meter square of work, we calculated it is 5 masons, 4 beldars, 3 mazdoors and 1 bishti. So for 40, if it is required 5 masons, for 100 how many? So we require, so we'll directly write, you know how the calculation is done. So I'll directly write it down. So labors required, so mason, beldars, mazdoor and bishti. So mason required are 13 numbers, beldar required are 10 numbers, mazdoors are 8 numbers, and bishti required are 3 numbers. So mason is 350 rupees, beldar is 230, mazdoor 290, and this is 250. So multiply the rates. 13 into 350 is 4550. This is 2300. 290 into 8 is 2320, and 250 into 3 is 750. So add the total rates, you get so 5100 plus 1800 plus 1770 plus 260 plus 45. So get the total cost as 20,950 add 1.5% water charges and 10% profit. So this is 1.5% is 314.25 and this is 2095.0. So add all this, 095 plus 314.25 plus, you'll get this total cost as 23,359.25. Then volume for 1 meter square of work is 23,359.25 divided by 100. This is divided by 100. You'll get for 1 meter square of work you will require 233.6 rupees. This is about flooring. Next, go into the calculation of plastering. I have considered one quantities each from all the types of work. Further, I will be giving you the assignments with respect to the given problems. You can practice it on your own. So now again, for 12 mm cement mortar, so that is plastering required for 12 mm thick cement mortar, the ratio given is 1:3. So plastering is for sealing. So again here the work is carried out for 40 square meter. So masons required are 3, mazdoor required are 3 and bistri required is 1. So for plastering for surface area work, the quantity of work we assume is for 100 meter square of work. So again consider the work for 100 meter square. So volume of wet mortar is 100 square meter is the area into 0.012 is 1.2 meter cube. Adding, so this is 1.2 meter cube is the total quantity. For this what I'll do is I'll add extra 20% for filling any depressions, joints and wastages. So considering all this, we'll add 20% extra. So volume will be 1.2 meter cube plus 20% of 1.2. So you'll get this as 1.44 meter cube considering all the wastages. Then for dry mixing, add 1/3 extra. So this will be 1.44 plus 1/3 of 1.44. So we'll get this quantity as 1.92 meter cube. Now the quantity of cement is, so ratio given is 1:3. So cement is 1 part out of 4 parts. So this will be 1/4 of 1.92. You will get this as 0.48 meter cube. Divide this with 0.0347. You will get number of bags. It is coming out to be 40 numbers of bags. Similarly, sand is 3 parts out of total 3/4 of 1.92. You will get this as 1.44 meter cube. So we got what is the quantity. So next we'll write here. So material, in that cement and sand and scaffolding. Scaffolding required for a labor to stand and do the plastering. So cement 14 bags, sand is 1.44 meter cube and this is lump sum. So cement is 300 bag and this is 1500 rupees. So 14 bags into 300 is 4200 rupees and this is 1.44 into 1500. You get this as 2160 and this is lump sum is taken as 200 rupees. Next, calculation of labors. So mason required, mason, mazdoor and bishti. So for 40 meter square of work, the labors required are 3 masons, 3 mazdoors and 1 bishti. So for 100 square meter of work, we require 8 masons, 8 mazdoors and 3 bishtis. So mason rate is 350, so mazdoor is 290 and 230. So we'll get this as 350 into 8 is 2800, 290 into 8 is 2320 and 230 into 3 is 690 rupees. So the total cost is 4200 plus 2160 plus 200 plus 2800 plus 2320 plus 690. We'll get this total cost as 12,370 rupees. So add 1.5% as water charges and 10% profit and overheads. So this will be 185.55 and 10% of this is 1237 rupees. So add all three. So 12370 plus 1237 plus 185.55. So get this as 13792.55. So volume for 1 meter square of work is 13792.55 divided by 100. So work for 1 meter square is, the cost is 137.92 rupees. So this is the quantity calculation for plastering. So next, talking about pointing. So pointing is done between the bricks when they are placed parallel to one another while doing the partition wall constructions. So pointing is that in between thin layer of mortar that is placed between the bricks for proper bonding. So the statement is pointing in cement mortar is 1:3 on brickwork on walls. So again, labor required are for 40 square meter of work, masons are 3, mazdoors are 3 and bishti is 1. So for pointing work, we take the total dry volume of the material is taken as 0.63 meter cube for 100 square meter of work. So 0.63 is the volume of dry mortar for 100 square meter of work. Now the quantity calculation, the ratio given is 1:3, so that will be 1 plus 3. So it is 4 parts. So volume of dry mortar is given as 0.6 meter cube. So cement is equal to 1 part out of total 4 parts into 0.6. So this is coming out to be 0.16 meter cube. Divide this with 0.0347, which will be equal to 4.8 bags, or you can round it off to 5 bags. Then sand is 3 parts out of 4 into 0.6 and the quantity is 0.48 meter cube. Now the material calculation is done. So next, materials: cement and sand. Cement required are 5 bags, mortar cement sand required is 0.48. So this is 300 and this is 1500. So 5 bags is 1500 rupees and 0.48 into 1500 is 720 rupees. The material labors required for masons, mazdoor, and bishti. So masons required are 8 numbers, Mazdoor required are 8 numbers and Bishti required are 3 numbers. So rate of this is 350, 290 and 230. So 350 into 8 numbers is 2800. This is 2320 and this is 690. So add all these rates. So 1500 plus 720 plus 2800 plus 2320 plus 690. So get the cost as 8030 rupees. Add 1.5% water charges and 10% profit and overheads. So 1.5% will be 120.45 and this is 803. So 8030 plus 803 plus 120.45, we get this rate as 8953.45. So for 1 meter square of work it is 8953.45 divided by 100. So this will come out to be 89.53 rupees. So this is all about rate analysis. So hope you followed the things. Thank you very much.